So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a post to a story here on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, go to whichever post you want to add to your story. So for this example, I'm just going to go to the bottom here to the search bar, and how about I find a post from Netflix US. Now, if I wanted to add this post to my story, for example, just once it loads, you can find out a post that you want. So I'll just go ahead and press this one right here. I reply with the mood you're in, and I'll send you a Rico. So here we go. If you wanted to press, or if you wanted to post this to your story, go to these four options right below the post. This far option on the far right, this arrow, push on the arrow right here, and then press on add to story. Now it'll then take you over to Instagram now, and simply you can now post this on your story, which is reposting a thread. So that is how you guys can add a post to a story on Instagram via Threads app. Hope this video helped.